In the unforgiving battlespace of 21st century warfare, especially in the high-stakes domain of aerial combat, supremacy begins with the ability to detect and track enemy threats, whether advanced fighter jets or low-observable drones, from staggering distances. Yet, detection is merely the opening act. The ultimate test lies in neutralizing these adversaries with unerring precision from beyond visual range, long before they can strike. Such a mission demands nothing less than a state-of-the-art missile armed with the latest technologies, an advanced AESA radar seeker for razor-sharp terminal guidance, and a secure two-way data link enabling mid-course corrections from the launch aircraft or powerful early warning platforms. This combination ensures devastating accuracy even against the most agile and evasive targets. Only a select few missiles on the planet possess such dominance, and rising among them is India's pride, the DRDO-developed Astra missile, a formidable beyond visual range air-to-air weapon meticulously engineered to seize control of the skies and tip the balance of aerial warfare. The Astra missile is India's first indigenous all-weather beyond visual range air-to-air missile developed by Defense Research and Development Organization, in short DRDO, to boost the aerial dominance of the Indian Air Force and Indian Navy. With variants capable of striking from 500 meter to 340 kilometer, Astra offers unmatched versatility. Its first version, Astra Mark I, is already integrated with the Sukhoi 30 MKI, with plans to arm a wide range of Indian and Russian origin fighters across the services. In 2024, the Astra program achieved a major milestone when the missile received clearance for full-scale production for frontline service with the Indian Air Force. My dear friends and passionate enthusiasts of military knowledge, this is your host Prajesh Majumdar, and I welcome you with pride and gratitude to AirPra, a place where the spirit of defense, technology and power truly comes alive. Together, we are not just viewers and creators. We're a community united by our love for military marvels. I invite you to join me on this journey. Hit that subscribe button, press the notification bell so you never miss an update, and share this channel with your friends to help our family of defense enthusiasts grow stronger every day. Now let's dive into the next chapter of this thrilling content. Here we go. On the Astra Mark I began in 1990 with the completion of a pre-feasibility study. However, final approval for the missile's development was granted in 2004 with a budget of 955 crore rupees. Aerodynamic characterization research was carried out at the National Aerospace Laboratory's Trisonic Wind Tunnel facility. The project was led by the Defense Research and Development Laboratory, in short DRDL, with assistance from Hindustan Aeronautics Limited and the Electronics Corporation of India Limited. The initial version of the Astra Mark I reportedly weighed 300 kg, had a range of only 25 to 40 km, and was planned for integration with the HAL Tejas. Its first prototype was first tested in May 2003. However, the missile was redesigned around 2006 due to control issues and performance deficiencies at high altitude. The original design, which featured 4 cruciform short-span long-chord wings, was replaced with cropped delta wings positioned near the nose and paired with an improved propulsion system. This configuration was tested in 2008, but still failed to meet expectations. By 2013, the control, guidance, and propulsion systems were reconfigured once again. In this third design, the missile finally proved its performance, being about 130 kg lighter than the initial version. It was successfully tested 3 times from ground-based launchers, followed by captive trials from a Sukhoi 30 MKI in April 2013. By 2017, the Astra Mark I had cleared final development trials and entered production at BDL's Bhanur facility in Telangana. In May 2022, the Ministry of Defense signed a 2,971 crore deal with BDL to deliver over 350 missiles for the IAF and Navy under the Indian Designed, Developed and Manufactured, in short IDDM category, with each unit costing around 7 to 8 crore. Designed to progressively replace Russian origin long-range missiles, Astra Mark I achieved a major milestone on 4th August 2024 when it was cleared for full-rate production by Air Marshal Ashutosh Dikshit at BDL's Kanchanbag unit in Hyderabad. The Astra Mark I measures 12.6 feet in length, has a body diameter of 178 mm and a launch weight of 154 kg. Guidance is provided by a fiber optic gyroscope during the mid-course phase, while the terminal phase is handled by an active radar seeker with a lock-on capability of up to 25 km. The missile can receive mid-course updates via secure data link. Its seeker can track targets with a radar cross-section of about 5 square meters from 15 km and supports off-port side launches at angles of up to 45 degrees. The missile is fitted with electronic countermeasures to operate even when an adversary attempts to jam its seeker. It carries a 15 kg high-explosive pre-fragmented warhead triggered by a proximity fuse. A smokeless solid-fuel motor propels the missile to speeds up to Mach 4.5, allowing operation from altitudes as high as 20 km. Its maximum range is 110 km in head-on engagements and about 20 km in tail chase mode. However, its maximum range is achieved when launched from at least 15 km altitude. The weapon supports both autonomous and buddy mode launches and can lock onto a target either before or after launch. The Astra Mark II can engage targets at ranges of 130 km to 160 km depending on the launch altitude. It features an indigenously developed dual-pulse rocket motor, a laser proximity fuse for precise detonation, and an advanced AESA radar seeker, while maintaining dimensions and speed comparable to the Mark I. Astra Mark III Gandhi. The Astra Mark III is currently in the trial phase as of 2025 to 2026. It features an air-breathing propulsion system known as the Solid Fuel Ducted Ramjet, in short SFDR, which distinguishes it from its predecessors. The missile measures 12.59 feet in length and has a diameter of 178 to 200 millimeter. This throttleable propulsion system greatly extends its range, allowing engagements up to 340 km from an altitude of 20 km and 190 km from an altitude of 8 km. According to reports, the missile's launch speed ranges from Mach 0.8 to 2.2, while its target impact speed reaches Mach 2.0 to 3.6. It can engage highly maneuverable fighter aircraft at angles of attack up to 20 degrees. With its plus-minus 10 km snap up or snap down capability, pilots can strike target position above or below the launch aircraft. The missile uses a two-way data link for mid-course guidance from the launch platform or friendly early warning aircraft, and relies exclusively on electronic countermeasures throughout its entire flight. The Astra Mark I has already taken to the skies aboard some of India's most formidable fighters, including the Sukhoi 30 MKI, HAL Tejas, MiG-29 UPG, and the naval MiG-29K. Its successor, the Mark II, is now in limited series production, undergoing rigorous testing and evaluation to ensure it meets the highest standards of precision and performance.